All right, hello and welcome everybody. I'm Max Gaynor, Vice President of Sapphire Business Solutions, and we are AYSO's proud partner providing the marketing toolkit at aysomarketing.org. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial showing you how to use it and get what you need. So you'll see here I'm on the splash screen. First thing you'll see when you hit aysomarketing.org, previously it was a login page, but now we've gotten rid of that so you can get right in and start shopping. So at the top we see a little video about AYSO. You can either start shopping and see the whole catalog, or you can select from one of our various sections of the catalog. So you'll see that we have the supply center and then the various aspects of your marketing toolkit. So you have here everything that you need to both promote your team and recruit volunteers and participants, as well as operate it with playground supplies, manuals, badges, and more. So today I'm going to show you a couple of things. I'm going to start with social media over here so I can show you how you can design your own graphic images for social media or flyers, hands out like those. So as you scroll through here, we can see that we have images for every form factor, every different channel. So if you want to post something on Instagram or on Facebook, we have professionally designed images that are in the exact right form factor that you need to post to those different locations, already created for you using professional photos, all of AYSO's professionally designed logos and other iconography. And some of these are things that you can customize as well without the help of a graphic designer. So as an example today, I'm going to use this soccer registration post. And this is also something that you could print for yourself, if you so chose, or use online. You can use it however you like for years to come. So when I click on it, I'm going to go to the design screen, and you'll see this with many of these items that are customizable. I'll see a preview of what the item looks like and a number of options for how to customize it. So in this case, let's say that instead of the script logo, I wanted the straight text. I can make that change, and this is for the spring season instead of winter. See these changes start to pop in. So hit update, it'll speed things up. It's loading. Winter will change for spring. We have the change in logo. For background, let's go with a nice neon green and a black stripe for plenty of contrast. How about that? Now, on any of those colors, you can actually use a hex code. If you have something that you've used on your website, you can use CMYK values. So you can match colors exactly if you have something in particular in mind. And then in this case, we can choose from images provided by AYSO. These are professionally shot photographs. So in this case, let's say that I'm trying to recruit some girls. So I'm going to change out the photo. Let's pop that in. Now on some of these images that you can create in here, you can actually insert your own photos. So you can make your own kids, your own members of your team, kind of stars of your ad. If we had a logo, I could upload that as well. I don't, so I'm just going to skip that. And then finally, let's put in a website. So I'm just going to say mine is ayso.org/teammax. I'll get my final update here, and we'll see the final version. And there you go. So I'm going to hit plus products to just add that to my cart. You can see this is a confirmation, just showing you a final high resolution proof image, making sure it's exactly the way you want. I'm going to say OK and accept the proof, and that'll add right into my cart. Okay, so let's just do one other example here. So let's switch from a digital download in this case. And let's do a sign. So you can see we have all manner of different banners, signs, teardrop flags, you name it. Pull-up banners even. So let's pick one. I'm just going to go with this wall banner right here. So this actually has some customization options as well. Let's see the sample load in. I also get to choose between script and block letters, just like that last one. So we'll see these change out. And I'm going to change it for a young man. Maybe I'm recruiting for a different demographic, different age group. I already have my website in here. So let's see these changes come up and we'll be good to go. So looks good. Going to add that product. Again, just double check the proof, make sure everything looks good. And there we go. Looks great. Okay. So now that I have both of these added to my cart, you can either see my cart there, or I can click checkout. So one of these is delivered electronically and the other is shipped. So on the first one, I can see e-delivery is configured. If I needed to change, let's say I didn't have this set up already, or I wanted to change the email address I was using. Let's just say it's going to my email address. Okay, hit continue. And when you finish checking out, all these digital downloads will go directly to that email address. So as soon as you're finished, you'll check your email and you'll find it there waiting for you. And then on this that ships, I need to configure a ship to address. Okay, so you can see I've done a demo once or twice before. Phoenix. Okay. I can change quantity if I want, and choose my UPS shipping option. Okay, now both are configured. And I can just hit continue. Okay, I see all my final pricing, $91. Now, normally what you're going to do is you're going to select credit card checkout. That'll actually be the only option, and you'll use your AYSO Divvy card to complete the transaction. For testing purposes, I have a little workaround. So all I'm going to do is hit send order, and then as soon as I do, I'll get an order confirmation page that has my order confirmation information, so it'll have an order number, and then I will get an email as well that'll give me the digital download as well as all of my order information in case I need to reference any of it. So that is all you need to know in order to place orders at aysomarketing.org. We have all the supplies that you need to operate your team and to recruit for it. So if we can be of any service, answer any questions, or help add things to the site that you need in order to run your team, just let us know. Drop us a line at customercare@sapphirebusiness.solutions. And that is instead of .com. That trips people up a little bit. So it's customercare@sapphirebusiness.solutions. Thanks for your time.